Today in this video, I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how to use ChatGPT. If you're new to using ChatGPT, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end because I'm exactly going to show you the things that you need in order to start using ChatGPT. Firstly, you must create an account of ChatGPT, or if you already have an account, you need to log in. So open up a web browser and search for chat.openai.com. And if you already have logged in, it will directly take you to this interface. Now, directly from the home screen, you'll see a couple of things that you can do with ChatGPT. If you want to see even more examples of what you can do, you can open up a new tab and then search for beta.openai.com/examples, and it's going to show you everything that you can do with ChatGPT. For example, I'm going to write something like correct this to standard English and type in a sentence that is a mistake. Now you can also type in anything that you want to solve and then hit enter on your keyboard. And as soon as you do that, you can see in a couple of seconds it will correct or give you solutions to your questions. So that's how exactly you can use ChatGPT. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.